तरह तरह की मूवीज आप कर रहे हैं, हाउ इट फील्स टू यू लाइक?
Obviously very special. Salman Bhai is someone that I've grown up idolizing and watching. And what I meant by Tere Naam was, I mean, the type of career Salman Bhai has had, and the type of film Tere Naam is, the type of subject it is, he need not have done it. It's not something that you would say, oh, this is a Salman Khan film. But काफी टेढ़ी film है. फिर भी उन्होंने किया, and it worked very well for him. So I think I got that belief, that inspiration, and I felt that, oh, I can go out there and make these decisions because people before me have always made these difficult decisions, and they've paid off. So, and I know that that's a film he had done from his heart at that point. So this is a film that I've done from my heart. I was going through something when I signed this film and during this film, and hopefully it'll show.
Varun, yeah. Varun?
What's
yeah,
up?
Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. First of all, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to everyone over here.
Okay, congratulations to the team. The song, the trailer, it's very awesome. Varun, you did it a good job.
Thank you, sir.
So my question to you is, while filming, while shooting for this film, you worked with the method actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui. How was the experience? What have you learned from him?
I've learned a lot from Nawaz. I have to say, I've learned a lot about cinema. I've learned a lot about how he conducts himself as a human being. I have to say this, what I've realized about Nawaz, he's one actor who runs away from fame. वो भाग जाते हैं, उनको पसंद नहीं है वो. He likes to be away from all this. Nawaz is not only a gem of an actor, he's a gem of a human being. The way he does his scenes, the way he prepares for it, he doesn't make anyone feel कि मैंने ये किया है. Even by observing how Sriram would direct him and how he would take direction is amazing. I'm very, very grateful to him that he is part of our film. And like I say, this film is incomplete without Nawaz. He's a very important part of this film. And I always say this, that Nawaz and me are a pairing made in hell. When we both clash in the film, it's almost two people from different worlds clashing, two different ideologies clashing almost. And who gets the better of whom, you'll have to see on 20th of Feb.
दिनेश, वो लिरिक्स वाली बात रह गई थी कि आपने किस तरीके से लिरिक्स लिखी थी?
Actually लिखे नहीं. You know what happened? We, like I was saying, हम लोग बैठे and there are thoughts, right? You have. So when we talk about मुश्किल कर दिया जीना मेरा, हंसते हंसते मिट जाना, it just in 1.5 hours we were done with lyrics and everything, and then we said, okay, should we call someone for lyrics too? And we actually did that also. And then Jigar looked at me and said, we are done. So it was a very organic process. It happens with them. It's as much Sachin Jigar as me. And it's happened on all the, I think even on Jeena Jeena.
I think food is a major feature because we really like Sindhi curry and all, and he likes Gujarati food. So we basically meet to have food and chill. बीच में कभी ऐसे गलती से हो गया literally.
In fact, the second song which we're going to launch, which is Jeena Jeena, which also Ahmed has. If you look at this album, actually there's a track called Jeena Jeena, which is for falling in love. So this Valentine, you can fall in love with Jeena Jeena. Then there is Losing in Love, Judai, which actually is Varun's favorite track, which will come out third. And then the third is to Die in Love. So it's a complete album which बोलते हैं ना, अगर 4 लोग प्यार करते हैं, एक को लड़की मिलती है, 3 का दिल टूटता है, तो they are also covered and the first guy is also covered. So hopefully this Valentine Day our album will do very well.
वो आतिफ के साथ आपकी तस्वीरें भी आई थी, तो उसके बारे में अगर आप
इनको आतिफ से प्यार है.
आतिफ को वरुण से प्यार है. Actually, we are very happy that when we made this track, we were wondering which voice to get, and we are really lucky that it all happened so quickly. हमने आतिफ को गाना भेजा. He loved the track. We recorded on the first in Calcutta. I called Ahmed. He was holidaying in Dubai. And we said that we need to shoot a video, but in the tone of Badlapur. So he said, let's do it. And on Prophet Muhammad's birthday, on the 3rd, we shot the video.
In Dubai.
In Dubai. And he shot it really well. Like, he's been half the DOP on it, which the Italian guy won't be very happy. But Ahmed has killed that other song. But we'll talk soon about it.
Any questions are there on Tevar? Because I have also part promotional of Tevar. Or I think they are damn good pair यार. मतलब उनको देख के I am happy for them. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. उनके बारे में जितने rumors लिखने हैं लिखो. Picture release हो रही है 2 दिन में. I'm very happy for them. My parents actually saw the film before this, and I'm going to go see it tonight. I think जो उनकी chemistry है, they know each other from their childhood. दोनों के balcony आसपास है, तो छुप-छुप के देखते रहते थे एक दूसरे को कि कौन पहले बनाएगा, कौन दिसते. Then they both lost weight और दोनों नीचे रास्ते पे मिले और ऐसा पिक्चर करते हम लोग. I think Tevar is going to be a huge, huge success. The first success of 2015. Arjun has given his blood, sweat, hard work, everything in that movie. जिस तरीके से promote किया है, आप सब लोग ने देखा है पहली बार. And I'm really looking forward to the film, and I'm going to pray to God that it does really, really well.
वरुण, VHP के जो लोग हैं विश्व हिंदू परिषद के, उन्होंने करीना कपूर खान की एक मॉफ्ड पिक्चर एक मैगजीन पे लगाई है और
कब?
उनका ये आज
सच्ची मेरे को फोटो देगा, मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा तो ही बिलीव
You
करूँ.
can see the picture here. उनका ये कहना है कि जिस तरीके से लव जिहाद जो हो रहा है, वो लोग उन सारी हिंदू लेडीज को वापस लाना चाहते हैं जिन्होंने मुस्लिम्स से शादी की, और करीना की मॉफ्ड पिक्चर इस पे लगाई है. क्या
किधर
कहेंगे
किधर
बीच
लेके
में
आना चाहते हैं?
अपनी कम्युनिटी में वापस लाना चाहते हैं.
किधर है कम्युनिटी है?
According to them, Hindu and Muslim love jihad, such kind of thing. So what's your reaction? Like celebrities को इस तरह की चीजों में लाया जाता है, उनके pictures use किए जाते
They
हैं.
should watch PK, I think. उसमें अच्छा समझाएगा. I don't know about this controversy. Not that I'm scared about answering about any of this actually, but genuinely मैंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा नहीं है, तो मैं जानता नहीं हूँ ज़्यादा. पर मैं समझा नहीं जो क्या मतलब किधर लेके आना चाहते हैं. मतलब हम लोग इंडिया में हैं और वो भी इंडिया में है, तो they're saying it's wrong to marry intercaste. I don't understand it. That's all I can say.
Okay, members of the media, last two questions before
Hi,
we
Varun.
wrap up.
Hi Varun, Anita here.
Hi Anita. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you? You have worked with Remo. You're working with Remo right now, and you're working where you worked with Hemant. How different are they, and how with whom was it easy to shoot?
I think with both of them, yeah. Why easy? Matlab in the sense I did in my first film I worked with Remo sir, and since then actually I've been hearing stories about Ahmed sir from Remo sir, and the good thing is that both keep giving me stories about each other. And in fact, Ahmed sir has seen some stuff of ABCD2 as well, which Remo sir has shown him. Remo sir always says whatever he's learned, he has learned from Ahmed sir, because he started his career from him. He gave him that push, and then he's gone on to become so successful. Obviously, there is a similarity. I think the one similarity that they both have, that they always want to do something new with everything, and I think that's amazing. I wouldn't say who's easier or who's better or something like that, because like I said, Ahmed sir is so senior to all of us. He just looks very young and probably is doing the youngest work of his life, I think, in this phase of his career. And he's an amazing choreographer, and he's someone I actually want to team up again and again with. But like he always says that I will come to him with in every film, but I want to give him that one special song I want to work with him, because I know if there's one man who can take a song to the next level and can do things that probably even youthful people can't imagine, is Ahmed Khan in this industry.
Thank you.
क्या हाल है प्रशांत सिंह? इन दोनों, अच्छा सोनाक्षी और अर्जुन दोनों काफी तीखे मिजाज के हैं. दोनों देखो स्क्रीन पे शायद अर्जुन का ज्यादा होगा क्योंकि वो हीरो है एंड ही इज डूइंग ऑल दैट, बट ऑफ स्क्रीन ज्यादा सोनाक्षी के. यू हैव टू सी अर्जुन जब कैमरा बंद है और तब सोनाक्षी है, तब देखना चाहिए. तो तब ऑफ स्क्रीन सोनाक्षी के ज्यादा है और ऑन स्क्रीन अर्जुन के ज्यादा है.
Members of the media, thank you so much. वैसे वरुण एक सरप्राइज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, तो वरुण, what is that surprise that you were talking
Actually,
about?
today with us, amongst us, we have Hanu Dikshit, who's a contest winner of Ji Karda. जैसे you have a lot of cover versions nowadays digitally online YouTube पे. So Hanu has done a cover for Ji Karda and been selected all around the country. He's going to play the guitar live as well and sing as well. And we've already heard it. Now we want you guys to hear it. And it's amazing. Divyak is also here and Sachin Jigera also here. So you guys have already got a cover for your song.
Wow.
I think, which is amazing. And
Come on.
Come.